back from Walmart and I got 2 pairs of jeans. Hoping I got 2 pairs of jeans and I got 2 t-shirts just because, you know, I love t-shirts, and I got powdered donuts because I was hungry. But I know my edges are not looking, I look crazy right now. But yeah, just because I bought the 2 pair because I just kind of wanted to see, because you know I don't wear men's jeans, and you know men's jeans are obviously tailored for men, and I'm not built like one, even though that's relative. Anyhoodle, I got 2 pairs in 2 different sizes just to kind of see which ones would be easier for me to work with or which ones would fit better. Now me, I always feel like I have like slightly longer legs, so I got one in the size 29-32, and this is just the regular fit. These were like $10. And then I got another one in the size 32-34, mainly for the length. If they had like a 29-34, I probably would have like snatched that up, but that's not the regular men's length, obviously, because yeah, men don't be wearing high-waisted pants like that. So yes, I'm gonna try both of these on and then see which ones I feel are going to make more sense for kind of what I'm going for. And then I saw this shirt, and I know this is so like super duper cliche, but it was like $5, so I got it. I love the movie Poetic Justice, and it's a Tupac shirt. It's a couple dollars. I'm gonna turn this into a crop top. I might tie-dye it like with some bleach. We'll see. I'm trying to go for a look. And then I've been like really into working out again lately, so I just got another like $3 random t-shirt that I can throw on when I want to go to the gym. So I'm gonna just show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all like up against my body what they look like. So, oh, you can't see me. All right. So these are the pants. This is from there's a lot of room up here that can be tailored in. So this is from the front, this is from the side, this is from the back. As you can see, like there's a lot of, you see what I'm talking about, like there's a lot of room back there. I really like this color. Now that I'm thinking about it, like I actually really like this color. But yeah, you know, just stepped off a Weight Watchers commercial. But yeah, these are the pants, like they keep falling down. And then this is the shirt that I want to kind of tie-dye, I guess. It's just a plain black shirt with Tupac on it. I know, I'm real cliche, but yeah, this is the outfit that I guess I'm going to upcycle slash, you know, do some changes on. So yeah, I'll be showing y'all how I do that. And this is really like freestyle. Don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we're gonna keep fingers. Okay, so I am in my front yard and I am going to spray this shirt, this Tupac shirt. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. I got some gloves on. I got a bottle that has bleach in it, and then I got my shirt. Watched the tutorial on YouTube, so we're gonna hope that this goes right. And I changed my shirt because it's like if I get bleach on this shirt, I won't be sad because it kind of is already tie-dyed. But yeah, let's get to it. So I'm just supposed to lay it on the ground, flat. And like scrunch it apparently, like from outside to inside. Wait. And then get to spraying. This has enough bleach in it. My mom said it had bleach. I'm gonna leave that and come back. So I put more bleach in the bottle. We're gonna spray again, and then we're gonna wait. See, now it's starting to get orange in some places. I low-key may have sprayed it too much, but it's okay. We gonna wear whatever it comes out like. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that for a little bit, and then I'm gonna flip it over. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip it over and just do it. Try not to unscrunch it too much, and just flip it and do the back side. Now I'm spraying at a distance because this like sprayer kind of comes out really strong. So I'm trying to make sure that it's not too much going too much in one spot. Okay, so I got a little spray happy on the back, as you can see. So this is like a little bit more orange than I expected. But we're gonna rock with it. I mean, it's fine. Okay, so I unscrunched it, and this is what it's looking like on the front. It's not as splotchy as I wanted it to be, especially at the top, because I think I'm gonna turn this into a crop top. So I'm gonna respray it, but let me show y'all the back. Yeah, same thing kind of goes with the back. It's not as splotchy as I wanted it to be, so I'm gonna spray it again. I'm gonna scrunch it up and I'm gonna spray it again. Oh my gosh, I don't know what this thing is. I'm so sorry if it's so loud, but I'm gonna scrunch it up and I'm gonna spray it again. See, now it's a little bit more splotchy everywhere, and I'm not really too concerned about this bottom part because that's gonna get cut off. But yeah, now this is kind of cool. Or I might turn it into a headband or something. We're gonna see what I feel like. And I really like the way the back came out, because now the way I sprayed it, it's like two different tones, because you know, one side got a little bit bleached before the other. So this looks kind of cool. Okay, so now I'm just gonna rinse it with cold water, then throw it in the washer by itself. T-shirt is in the washer, I'm going to go ahead and start tailoring these pants. Okay, so I'm not really going to measure too heavily, but I did put the pants on the inside out, and I'm going to just kind of play it. I want it to sit kind of where I want it to sit naturally. And I'm just gonna kind of pinch the sides. I mean, if you want it to be more accurate, I would say measure, but I'm just gonna kind of pinch in the mirror and see where I kind of want it to fall. What I was doing before was a lot. So I went and got safety pins instead, thanks to my brother. Now I got the whole sewing kit. So we're gonna safety pin it instead. So yeah, finally pinned it. Right now, as you can see, it's definitely better. So I'm gonna take this off and then try it on like right side in. So yeah, and we're gonna see if it looks the way I'm envisioning it in my brain. I have pinned it and I had to repin it, but I am now just trying it on right side in, and everything for the most part looks pretty smooth and pretty much how I want it to look. So yep, now all I have to do is sew it and then go check on my shirt, and then our outfit will be done. Oh, hey, I did the first round of sewing. The stitching, atrocious, awful. Like, I'm actually scared to turn this inside out. Like, there's some things that I forgot to take off of the jeans before I started, because, you know, everything just seems like it's gonna be so hunky-dory and fine. No, that's not how my life goes. So yeah, I sewed this. This is the first round. I'm gonna flip them inside out and try them on. Honestly, if it doesn't look that atrocious, I might just keep it that way, but this is attempt number 1. We're gonna see. We're gonna do the try on and we're gonna see what this looks like. So as y'all can see, I'm gonna tuck this in. It is definitely not the perfect job, but like I said, these jeans were only $10, and for what I wanted, this looks about right. So yeah, and I have a little bit of room still in the back, but then again, I'm not this skinny 24/7, so definitely need room to breathe. So yeah, I think this is it now. Okay, I want to show y'all the sides. These sides look a little wonky, but like I told y'all, I'm not a seamstress. This side looks better than this side, because that's the thing with everything. One side always has to look better than the other. But overall, I like it. I'm rocking with it. You know, let's pose, flash, click, click. Because when I wash these are definitely gonna get tighter. Like right now, the pockets, these pockets are like ridiculously tight, and these front pockets are even smaller than they were. So I don't know what can really fit in them, but in terms of the style, this is really cute. So I'm gonna go check on the shirt, and then I'm gonna put the whole outfit together and I'll show y'all the finished product. As y'all know from the last clip, I think this is still a little wet, but as y'all saw in the last clip, I already tailored the pants. They look like just how I wanted them to look, but I wanted to show y'all what the shirt looks like before I cut it. So I already showed y'all the clips of me bleaching it and everything. So this is what it came out to look like after bleaching it. This is the front, and here is the back of it. Can you see? Yeah, here's the back. Yeah, so it's like it's just how I envisioned it. So I'm really excited about that, and I'm gonna cut this into a crop top. I don't know if I want to go right at where it says the Poetic Justice, or I might go above it, because I mean Tupac is still Tupac. But I'm gonna cut it, and I guess I'll show y'all the final look, and then all right, y'all, so that is all I have for you today. That's how I turned a pair of Walmart men's jeans into, I guess, some mom style jeans, and how I turned a Walmart Tupac shirt into an acid wash type of vibe shirt. So I really hope y'all enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. That really helps me a lot. And yeah, I guess I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.